Hello, Bend, Oregon. This is Mike Reed giving you information on your Manitowoc training class for 2023. The class is going to be held September 14th, 2023 at Thermal Supply. Sorry about the late notice. I just saw this thing, was just updated. So you're going to want to contact Jim Friar at your local supply house, at your local thermal supply, and register for the class. So this one is a half a day class. For those of you that are aware, this is your class to get you covered for warranty for the year. And for those of you that aren't familiar, this is the class that you need to take at least once a calendar year to get you in the books so that if you do possibly need to run a call that is covered under warranty, then you can get paid. Not only will you get reimbursed for your part, but you'll get paid for the labor that it takes to do the job. All right, so have fun with class. And once again, sorry about the late notice.